Good afternoon from Trouble Towers HQ. Welcome to the start of the silly season. Friday the 22nd, Youngbirds basketing. We are off to Appleby tomorrow. I hope to have somewhere in the region of 20 young birds. I'll tell you just shortly once I check them and basket them. We'll have a wee look as they go in. I hope to fly 20 odd and Lindsay's hoping for something similar. So, here we go. Okay, here we go. First one. A little bar white flight. Cock. Oh, feisty young chap. 1741. In the basket. Good lucky my little man. Number 2. Little grizzle cock. 1714. On his 4th flight. On a chick. There we go, pop him in, Mr. Grizzle Cock. Another little cock boy, 1716, I like this one, so we'll probably lose him the first week. Another bar white flight cock, and he's on his number 3 feather. Be lucky my little spunker. Another cock, a little red mealy, he's sitting on his wee egg, red 50. And he's still in touch yet, so one to look out for, red 50. First of our hens, a little dark check hen, 1706, and she's just doing number 5. Be lucky, darling. First of the hens in the fence. Another little checker hen, red 66. She's not started anything yet. Nice wee pointed tailed hen. Could do to see her home. Red 66. Another little checker white flight hen. And she's way back in number 6. What do we call her? 1740. Good lucky sweetie pie. Red 78, one of my older ones. Fully through the moult on the chest and the body, red 78, and we're on number 6. I think that's one of yours, Neil, a little bar hen. And here we have another dark checker hen. She's a bit of a squiggle, this one. She doesn't like me. Bit moulty, feather tips are a bit shady. Oops, it is, come on, doll. And she's doing number 3 flight. And she is 1713. Okay, another little cockbird, a nice bar white flighted hen. He is 1721. And he is on... He's back on number 6. He's on number 6 as well. Very placid young fella. Love him. So we'll put him in the quiet cocks box. Red 70. What are you darling? Red 71. She's paired to the last little bar white flight I showed you. Oh, she don't usually wiggle, darling. Not usually a wiggler. Oh, she's not going to play today, so red 71. This is red 65, the only red check we have in the team this year. And he's on number 3. Good luck with the red check. Red 16, we'll hear her before we see her. The Grumpy hen, she just likes to grump, don't you, darling? Oh, she's very grumpy. Good little sweetie. Red 16. This is Boeing Red 747. Check white flag cock. And he is on his... He's done nothing so far. So we'll put him in with the grumpy cocks. Red 47, 747. Red 61, a little dark check hen. What's your wings doing, darling? Nope, we've not molted at all yet. Red 61, a dark check hen. Hopefully see you for the rest of the season, darling. Mrs. Petite, a lovely little bar hen. Very petite, 17. And she's not started a molt either yet. Good lucky lassie. This is ours, Neil. 1708. Oh, he's got a horrible feather sticking out his eye. 1708. Bred out the Neil stuff. Not a wing dropped. We like him. And I do like this one. This is oh, steady lass, steady. Like a grumpy hen. This is a Stiggles Trodden. 1739, I believe. Look out for this one. 1739. $17.01. By the feel of the girth of them, this is one of my homegrown sooties, and if he's on a 17.01, he was one of my first birds of the year on an SU ring. Yep, up to number 4. But he's a tank. Red 62, nice little hen there. What have you done, darling? And she's on number 4. Red 62. Red 70. Nice dark check hen. Good looking girl. And oh, she's on number 2. Might not get much out of her. Red 70. Red 42, one of 3 grizzles we have this year. Whoop whoop. And Mr. Grizzle is on numero 3. Good lucky, Mr. Grizzle. $17.19. Another one of ours, Neil. A bonny little dark checker cock. Beautiful. The cock's in quite in my hand today. $17.06, a red mealy cock, bred by Lindsay, stolen by me. On flight 2. Boys, calm it down. Red 74, 774, not because we 747, is a nice little checker pied white cock. And he is doing nothing. Wings intact. And finally, red 41. A delicate little checker hen who sits beautifully in the hand, and what a tail. What a beautiful tail, darling. So there you go. Red 41 completes the bingo numbers for the Friday night lottery from Tumble Towers. Hope yous are all lucky. Be lucky, my babies. Mwah. From Gipples Nibbles in the shed, heading to the basket in. Friday, July the 22nd, Appleby 26 birds for 66 miles. See you tomorrow.